Sildenafil works exactly the same as Viagra. So Viagra helps you with erectile dysfunction, Sildenafil helps you with erectile dysfunction. They work exactly the same. So if you need an alternative to the Viagra, you can always use Sildenafil. Sildenafil helps increase the blood flow in your penis whenever you're sexually aroused or want to become sexually aroused to help you get and maintain an erection to help with your intercourse. Whenever you get sexually aroused, your brain sends a signal down to your penis that says, basically, open up my blood vessels so I can get an erection. These medications, sildenafil, aka the generic form of Viagra, basically helps that blood flow action work better. Whenever your brain sends that signal down to your penis to help you get an erection, this medication simply helps that blood flow work better, flow better, hence better erections. A common question we get is whenever I take my little blue pill, right, the one I take for erectile dysfunction, how fast is this thing going to kick in? Now, it's all going to depend on what you have in your stomach. If you have an empty stomach, it should start to kick in about 20 minutes or so. But don't bank on that. You want to give yourself plenty of time. So I always tell my patients you want to give it about 30 minutes before it starts to kick in. If you have a lot of food in your stomach and you're having dinner, it's not going to kick in 30 minutes. It's going to take a while for that to kick in, maybe even an hour or 2 hours. So you want to plan accordingly whenever you're taking this pill. Now, I usually recommend this pill as kind of be like your acute ED medication pill. Whenever you want a little bit extra assistance with your erections, just be sure you plan ahead. Now, it's going to be in your system for anywhere from 4, 6, possibly even 8 hours. So that's a good thing to remember too. It's going to act relatively quickly and it'll be in your system for about anywhere from 4, 6 to 8 hours. All right, keep that in mind. Do not take this on a full stomach if you want it to work quickly. It's not going to happen. How often can I take my little blue pill, aka Viagra? So you can take this pill, most men, about once a day or once an evening. Now, whenever they do that, if they're taking it constantly, you got to be careful because it will lower your blood pressure. That's one of the most common side effects with this. This comes in at 25, at 50, and 100 milligrams. So of course, the more you take, the stronger it is. So these detailed questions are really for you and your doctor. Now, if you're a patient of ours, give us a call. We're happy to talk to you and or meet with you and talk to you about the specifics of it and of course get your hands on some of this. But usually you can take this once a day, but you got to be careful. You don't want to exceed that because it will start to lower your blood pressure, which is a common side effect of it.